welcome back to my channel. This is me, Tanusree here. Already you knew about today's topic by the thumbnail and the title of this video. Today I will share you two different college looks which was I carry the most in my college days. Anyways, the looks will be different by the outfit, but the makeup will be this. I create this look today. I will show you how I create with less products. So I will share two different outfits with this makeup look. If this video is helpful to you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe. Okay, now let's start with the video. Firstly, I'm using orange color corrector around my dark circles. Now I am applying concealer under my eye, T-zone and around my lips and blend it well. Set my face with compact powder. Firstly, I comb the brow and feel the sparse areas and again blend all the product. Then for eye look, I'm taking a lightest transition shade and apply all over the eyelid. Darker brown shade apply on the outer corner of my eyes and blend it well. Now applying kajal on the outer corner of the eye, the lower waterline and around the lower lashes. Smudge it and create a smoky look. From the same eyeshadow palette, I'm taking this brown shade and use as a contour. Cut my cheeks, around my jawline, forehead and my nose. Applying blush on my apple of my cheek and then blend with the contour. Applying highlighter on the highest points of my face. Then I'm curling my lashes first and then apply 2 coats of mascara. Then applying lipstick. I will put all the product details in the description box below. For the first look, I'm wearing this check shirt. Okay, now for the hairstyle, I'm middle parting my hair. I'm wearing this cute little ear top, wearing a wrist watch, and this is my first look. For the second look, I'm wearing a cotton kurti. For the hairstyle, I grab all my hair in a ponytail and twist it like a bun and secure with a rubber band and pull some hair front section. This is my all-time go-to hairstyle. Wearing this cute ear cuff. Purchase it from Amazon. I will put the link in the description. And wear a bindi. This is all for today's video. I hope you all like this video. Also, please comment down below which look do you like the most. And see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Bye.